In this video, we will show you how to replace the drive unit of your PUQ press. You'll need to order a replacement drive unit with the code displayed on screen. The tools you need during the following instructions are the Allen key that comes with the PUQ press, the Phillips screwdriver. Start with removing the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Press the Set button once. The tamper base will come down and CL will appear on the display. Loosen the tamper base Allen screw and remove it. Loosen the tamper base from the thread by hand, clockwise. Turn the PUQ press upside down and remove the plug from the socket. Remove the rubber cover. Loosen the ground wire screw and remove it. Loosen the 6 top plate screws. Remove the top plate. Unclip the cable connector. Loosen the 4 drive unit screws. Pull out the drive unit and loosen the ground wire screw. Tighten the tamper base, counterclockwise. Put back the tamper base Allen screw and tighten it. Press the Set button. The tamper base goes back up. Put back the small cover cap from the Allen screw. Excellent!